Dr. Bhargav Revankar is a distinguished academician and currently serves as an associate professor at Chetan Business School in Hubli. With a rich educational background encompassing MDSE, MCA, MBA, and PhD, Dr. Revankar brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to the field of information technology and marketing. His areas of specialization include information technology and marketing, and his academic pursuits extend into various domains such as Excel, statistics, business research, operation research, digital marketing, IT, CRM, quantitative techniques, entrepreneurship, and general management. With a notable tenure of 26 years in academia, Dr. Revankar has actively contributed to research and scholarship. His publication record includes 14 papers in national journals and 13 in international journals, highlighting his commitment to advancing knowledge and disseminating valuable insights. In the realm of project guidance, Dr. Revankar has been instrumental in overseeing numerous projects. This includes the supervision of 130 major projects, 130 minor projects, and a total of 260 SIP/MCP projects. His involvement in these projects underscores his dedication to fostering practical skills and real-world application among students. Dr. Revankar extends his expertise beyond the classroom through training and consultancy services. He has collaborated with prestigious organizations such as Tata Motors, Nagshanti Group, JSW Plant, the Karnataka Chamber of Commerce in India, and Hubli, providing valuable insights and contributing to the practical application of academic knowledge in industry settings.